Here's the wildest part of quantum physics explained with a cat. Imagine I've got a sealed box. Inside is a cat, a vial of poison, a tiny radioactive thing that might decay in the next minute. If it decays, the poison breaks. If not, the cat chills and lives its best life. Here's the twist. Quantum rules say, before I open the box, that decay is in a superposition. Both happened and didn't happen. That sounds ridiculous. It's supposed to. Schrödinger designed it to sound wrong. Quick analogy. Think about flipping a coin and slapping it on your arm. While your hand covers it, in your head it feels like both heads and tails are on the table. But that's just ignorance. You don't know yet. In quantum land, the coin isn't just unknown, it's genuinely both. Like your playlist is playing 2 songs at once until you press unmute. So what changes when I open the box? Measurement. In the quantum world, observing isn't just peeking, it's interacting. The cat, the air, the atoms, even stray photons, all constantly measure each other. That process, decoherence, smashes superpositions into one classical outcome long before your eyeballs arrive. Payoff. Schrödinger wasn't saying cats are magic. He was calling out the weirdness of applying quantum math to big things. The real lesson? Superposition is real for tiny stuff. Electrons, photons, we use it in quantum computers and MRI machines. But macroscopic things like cats leak information to the environment so fast that the both-at-once state collapses instantly. If you want a gut check, swap the cat for a super-sensitive detector hooked to a light. In the dark, quantum says it's both on and off. But the moment any stray particle bumps it, boom, one result. So is the cat both alive and dead? The honest answer, only if the entire system is perfectly isolated from the universe, which is basically impossible for a cat. And that's the trick. Quantum is less about tiny things being mystical and more about information. What can leak out, what gets measured, and when possibilities harden into facts. Open the box, and the universe picks a lane.